This video will explain how to upload your video for the poetry explication assignment to the discussion board in Blackboard. So if you navigate to the start page of our course, over here on the left navigation, you will see class discussions. You need to click on that. And it will open the discussion board, which has the forum already created here. So there's a listing here of the assignment, just as a reminder. Over here, you can see how many posts have been made already. And then you're going to click here on the Poetry Explication Presentation Forum. I did set this up so that you had to post your video before you can view any other posts. So you'll have to create a thread here. And this is where you will put your video. So there's a description here. Again, the assignments are listed there. And then down here in message will be what you're going to post. The title of the message should be your name. And then you can put, poetry explication, or you can put the title of the poem that you're using, what have you. And then you need to actually upload the video to your message. There's a couple different ways you can do that. The easiest probably is with a link. So if you have your video completed and in your Google Drive, you would open your Google Drive, navigate to the video. Let's say this is the one that I want to upload. Then I would right click and go to Get Link. I want to make sure that anyone with the link or WISD is selected so that anybody who views the video has access to it. You don't want to leave it unrestricted because then people will not be able to see your video and they need to be able to see it. So then you're going to choose Copy Link. It will tell you that it's copied and you can hit Done and then navigate back to the Blackboard and you can copy paste that link right there. Say you didn't have your video in, okay, so then you would hit submit down here. And then that way, anybody who goes to the thread would be able to see your link and click on it and go to view it in your Google Drive. Say you didn't have it in your Google Drive, say instead you put it on your YouTube channel. I do believe you have a YouTube channel from the school district, or maybe you have your own, I don't know. But if you do it that way, then you would go here to wherever you have your channel videos, and you would select the video that you wanted to upload. You would go to Get Shareable Link, and it will copy. And the same way, you can go back to the forum and you can then paste in the link to the YouTube video. Again, on the YouTube, you would have to make sure that you had your settings. I think you have to do it with this thing. Your settings set up so that, this is just a random video, so that it is visible, and that's going to be over here under visibility. So private means nobody can see it but you. Unlisted means nobody can see it except the people that you give permission to, and public means anybody can see it on the web. So that's your choice, whether you want to leave it unlisted or public. If you want random people to come by and see your project, then you can leave it public. But make sure that that is adjusted. If it's on private, it's just like we saw in the Google Drive, then nobody will be able to see your video, and then I can't see it to grade it. Nobody else can see it to participate in the remainder of the assignment. Another option, if you have it on your computer, say you're not going to upload it to an outside source, say you made your video and you did it, whatever application you use to make your video. I like, what is it, Movie Maker. But you can use whichever one you want. Then you can just go to Browse My Computer and you can select, figure out where all your documents are and click on it and upload it that way. I don't know which one I think that might take a while to upload just because it's got to upload the entire file. The link is usually easier because then you're just posting a link. You're not actually uploading all the files and the data from those files to Blackboard. But those are the 3 ways that I know of that you can get your assignment posted. Then down here, you're going to click Submit. Let me just put this here as an example. I'll delete it later. And you should see then that your name as an author and the title of whatever you called your post should be listed here. And then that way it's in the forum and anybody else can go and look at it. So this will start populating with different student projects. And then you can go back and do the second part of the assignment, which is to view your classmates' videos and give a response to them. But this one is just about posting.